contribute to the needy of the church as embodiment
As embodiment.
and proof of fellowship.
And proof. It's a proof of fellowship.
Ubufakazi bobudlelwano.
Ufakazi bani bobudlelwane. What do you contribute?
Unikela ngani?
What are you responsible for?
Yini
What's your
ukumsebenzi wakho?
responsibility in the church?
Yini umsebenzi wakho kulelo bandla?
Let's go.
And proof of fellowship.
And proof of fellowship.
Ubufakazi bobudlelwano.
For such sacrifices
Uh-huh.
are pleasing to God.
Hey! Uyayibona indaba icala wena ujahela it is such sacrifice.
Mihlatshelo
Uba
enjalo.
responsible kuphela.
Wenza imisebenzi yakho nje.
Bese uNkulunkulu uyajabula. Now the rain will come.
Imvula izoza.
Crops will grow.
Izokhula
The ground
itshalo.
will be fertile
Umhlabathi uzovundla
for you to plant
ukuthi wena
and keep on reaping.
Bese
You
soloko
want to reap,
uvuna.
but it's not raining.
Ufuna ukuvuna kodwa imvula yini?
It's not raining for you.
Imvula
What did you
ayipheleli.
put in?
Yini oyitshalile?
What did you put in?
Utshale ini?
So quiet. So quiet. Because that's how believers behave. They go to church with
Indlela amakholwa
ignorance.
aziphatha ngayo. Baya emasontweni.
The man of God is
Utethe.
anointed.
Ndoda
He's just
uNkulunkulu
going to pray
uqotshiwe.
for me. I'm going to be blessed. Things will
Uzongikhulekela
happen.
ngizobusisa izinto zenze.
What's your responsibility?
Yini umsebenzi wakho?
Which need did you see?
Isiphi isidingo
Which
sibonile?
gap did you see?
Isiphi isikhalo sibonile?
And you said, here I am, Lord.
Wese wathi nangu mina
I'll be
Nkosi.
responsible for this.
Ngizophendula kulokho noma ngizokunaka lokho.
Now you know you are fake.
Uzowazi ke ukuthi ungumkokotelo.
Read. Repeat that part.
Do not forget
Don't forget.
or neglect to do kindness and
You
good.
can come to church yet you
Ngiyeza
have forgotten.
esontweni kanti sowukhohliwe.
Don't forget.
Ngakhohlwa.
Let's go.
Do not forget or neglect to do kindness and good. To be generous.
To be generous.
Kuba nesihe.
You know, a generous person
Umuntu onesihe.
is above a person who's a giver or a
Ungaphezulu komuntu
tither.
onikelayo nomuntu
Generosity has
okhokoshiwe.
no percentage.
Isihe asinasilinganiso.
Let's go.
Sikaleki.
A generous person has no percentage.
Umuntu onesihe akakaleki.
Look at Cornelius,
Bekukonanias.
a man who was not born again.
Indoda ebengakazalwanga kabusha.
But the responsibilities that he had for poor people,
Kodwa le misebenzi ebekanayo for abantu
it
abampofu.
caused God to come close to him.
Yenza ukuthi uNkulunkulu asondele eduze kwakhe.
It caused God to come because he was taking care of the needy.
Ngoba bekanakekela
A
abadingayo.
man who was not even born again.
Indoda ebengakazalwanga
But he
kabusha.
didn't forget his
Kodwa
responsibilities.
zange ayikhohle imisebenzi yakhe.
uNkulunkulu wakhumbula yonke into bekayenza uCornelius. Let's go. Don't come to God as a hypocrite.
Ungeze kuNkulunkulu njengomzenzisi.
You only want to collect.
Ufuna ukulanda nje kuphela.
What's your
Yini
responsibility?
umsebenzi wakho?
Hypocrites, they collect.
Nje abazenzisi balanda kuphela.
Christians, they
Abazalwane.
plant to reap.
Batshalela ukuthi bavune.
Hypocrites, they just collect.
Abazenzisayo bayalanda nje kuphela.
And then they leave after that.
Bese bayahamba.
And then the rain stops raining.
Bese imvula nayo iyama ke ukuna.
Uyobuya sekawomile futhi. Let's go.
Do not forget or neglect to do kindness and good. To be generous and distribute and contribute to the needy of the church as embodiment
As embodiment.
and proof of fellowship. For such sacrifices are pleasing to God.
Such sacrifices are
Leyo
pleasing
mihlatshelo
to God.
yamthokozisa uNkulunkulu.
Let's go.
Verse 17. Obey your spiritual leaders.
You see where it starts?
Yabona ukuthi iqala
With responsibilities.
ngemisebenzi.
How are you going to obey without the responsibility?
Uyolalela njani unganamsebenzi?
How are you going to obey without a responsibility?
Uyolalela njani unganamsebenzi?
Without any contribution?
Unganakunikela.
Uyolalela ini ebuyaphi? It means usayeza uzelanga uzolalela. Uyenza umsebenzi wabazalwane mara usumzalwane. Okay, let's go.
Obey your spiritual leaders and submit to them.
And submit. It all starts
Yes,
with responsibilities.
Qala
A
ngemisebenzi.
person who can submit,
Umuntu okhona
they submit
ukuthoba
because of bafuna ama responsibilities.
ufuna imisebenzi yakhe.
Ngizoba responsible for what? Ngayenza ini?
Uzonakala.
Yini engababhizi ngayo? Where can I close the gap?
Ngavala kuphi isikhala?
Now imvula iyasondela. Imvula enzani? Because now there's a man in the garden.
Ngoba manje sekunomuntu engadini.
Hey, Now there's a man in the garden.
Sekunomuntu engadini.
Some people are not out. The more you
Abanye abantu
lose
abanaki.
the responsibilities that God has given you in
Masolo
church.
ulahlekelwa ile misebenzi uNkulunkulu akunikeza yona
It
ebandleni.
says those in the church,
Ithi laba basebandleni.
your ushering,
Ukashara,
worshiping,
ukudumisa,
cleaning,
ukuhlanza.
it's a responsibility.
Umsebenzi,
Giving,
ukunikela,
contributing
ukunikela.
to projects or to the men. It's a responsibility
Umsebenzi,
for the church.
umsebenzi webandla.
Because of you don't see a responsibility for the church.
Ngoba awuboni umsebenzi webandla.
You think you're doing it to the men of God.
Ucabanga ukuthi wenzela indoda kaNkulunkulu.
No, it's already raining for him. He's in the position.
Yena sekuvele kuyanela ngoba sekasesikhundleni
The rain is raining.
Imvuli yana.
Anywhere he goes,
Noma ngabe ikubulaya khona
there shall be fertile. It will be fertile.
kuzovundla.
Because akamanga ku dry ground.
Akamange emhlabathi
God can
womile.
touch anyone.
uNkulunkulu angathinta noma ubani.
Anyone.
Noma ubani.
And you will witness the flourishing.
Uzokubona uphuphuma
Because he took the responsibilities.
ngoba uthathile
And said, I'm
umsebenzi wakhe.
responsible for these people.
Ngathi mina
To
ngiyakhoza
teach them,
ukuphendula
to
labantu
guide them,
laba.
to pray for them.
Bafundise,
It's my
bahole,
responsibility.
bakhulekele. Umsebenzi
I'm
wami.
not hired by them.
Angikashwanga
It's a
yibo.
responsibility.
Kodwa umsebenzi.
The problem, people do things as if baqashwe umuntu. Wenza business as if uqashwe business. Usemshadweni ngathi uqashwe umshado. Ukhulisa abantwana ngathi uqashwe bantwana. Kulula ukunga account ngoba ubona ngathi uqashiwe. Now that's where we'll see carelessness.
Lapho sobona khona ubudlapha.
With the person is careless
Lo muntu lo ubudlapha.
and you begin to interpret their future.
Bese uyaqala ke ukhona
1,
ukubona
2,
ikusasa
3,
lawo.
4, 5 years.
Uthi iminyaka emihlanu
We're going to hear stories here.
sezindaba.
Let's go.
Obey your spiritual leaders and submit to them
And submit to them.
Nizithobe kibo
continually.
Co-
ngokuqhubekayo.
co-
Ngokuqhubekayo. Ngokuqhubekayo.
Continually.
Ngokuqhubekayo.
That's a responsibility.
Umsebenzi
To
ke.
submit to a person
Ukuthi
continually.
uzobe emntini ngokuqhubekayo.
Continually.
Ngokuqhubekayo.
Not sometimes, continually.
Ayingesinye isikhathi kodwa ngokuqhubekayo.
Because you know the responsibility.
Ngoba uyawazi umsebenzi wakho.
It's submission that goes with
Ukuzithoba. Okhamba
continuity.
okhamba nokuqhubeka.
Now we are mourning with our Lord. It's going to rain for this person forever.
Uzomlela
This
ingudla
person will
phakathi.
never lack anything this way.
Angeke azaswele lutho.
Lo noma ngaphelelwa umsebenzi mayezothola omunye la. Lo noma le business ingenzani angeke iwe. Imali izohlala ikhona. You already know ukuthi lo noma bangamlwisa kangakanani emsebenzini or business lo angeke awe. You already know ukuthi lo angeke
So
awe.
vele uyazi.
And then there are those you know lo
Nalabo wazi
uzowa lo careless.
ubudlapha.
Lo akawazi ama responsibility lo. Lo uzowa lo akakhulanga. You already know ukuthi lo uzowa lo. Irresponsible lo muntu lo.
Idlapha.
That's why the people bayasebenza mara nawungambuza ukuthi yini responsibility angakuphendula. Yazi wesini? Ngibhadala i-contract phone. Ngithenga ukudla. That's not the responsibility.
Kusumsebenzi lo.
Ukuthi udle. Ukudla is not a responsibility.
Kusumsebenzi.
A responsibility
Umsebenzi
goes
hambelana
with a call and accountability. You can't account
nobizo
without
nokuphendula.
angeke u-account ukuthi angidlanga bese uthi angidlanga ama-accountable ukuthi angidlanga namuhla. It says God will destroy both the stomach and the food.
Uzobhubhisa kokubili
Meaning
ukudla
lapho
nesisu.
akacheckanga anything. Both the food and the stomach.
Ukudla nesisu.
Let's go.
Obey your spiritual leaders
Obey your spiritual leaders
Layelana abaholi beni bakamoya.
and submit to them,
and submit to them.
Nizithobe kibo.
continually recognizing their authority over you.
Pinda.
Continually recognizing their authority over
God
you.
gave them an authority over you,
uNkulunkulu
whether you like
banikeza
it or
ugunya
not.
ngaphezulu kwenu uyathanda noma uthandi.
It's not your choice. It's God's
Akusukhetha
choice.
kwakho kodwa ukhetha
That they must
kwaNkulunkulu.
have authority over.
Kufanele babe
Over
nokuya
you.
ngaphezu kwethu.
Awukhethi lapho uthi hayi mina hayi mina. Iqala ngokuba ne-responsibility ukuthi uzokhona ukusubmit to such authority.
Khona
And
ukuzithoba
that's why
kulelo
you
khulu.
see now that power working for you everywhere you
Yila
go.
ubona khona lawo mandla kusebenzela
Because
konke la
if it's
uyakhona.
raining
Ngoba uma ngabe lina
for your spiritual shepherds,
lena ulinela abaholi beni
it
bakamoya.
must also rain for you.
Nawe kufanele lini.
Where is your position?
Ukusukuphi
Which
isikhundla sakho?
garden are you in?
Ukuyiphi ingadi?
La kungani khona? Umephi? Shuthi ungenile ensimini azange ubone kumele kucentwe la. Azange ubone ukuthi lana manje kumele sijubutshane. Umane wangena. Wama. Ehlathini, etshana obukhulile bongaka wama. Wathi mina ngifuna isibusiso. uNkulunkulu wathi uyabona lo tshani. Wathi mina ngifuna ukuphola uNkulunkulu wathi uyambona lo yamzalwane lo. Wathi hayi mina ngifuna nje ukuphola wathi uyambona lo yamzalwane lo yena. Uthini ngaye? Nami ngize ngeenkinga zami. You're already failing.
So vele uyahluleka.
You're already going down.
So vele uyaphasa.
You are going to fail.
Uyahluleka.
Let me tell you are going to fail
Uyahluleka.
with that kind of attitude.
Ngalelo hlobo lokuziphatha noma lo hlobo lenqondo.
You are going to fail. You won't make it.
Uyahluleka. Ngeke uziphumelele.
Ngoba vuleka mgodi ngena. Everything you touch.
Yonke into oyithintayo iyaphasa. Yaphasa.
Until you know
Uziwazi.
how to respond with the responsibility to the call.
Phendula ngemisebenzi
Now
yakho.
God is ready to make it to rain now.
uNkulunkulu ke manje sekalungela ukuthi
If
aleze.
God makes it to rain,
Uma uNkulunkulu ayenza
who can
ukuthi
shut the heavens?
ubani ongavala amazulu?
Ubani ongakhi ithanela athi ngivala amazulu? Akekho. Akekho. No one can stop
Akekho ongavala
because it's raining
ngoba liyana
because you have responded
ngoba uphendulile
with responsibilities.
ngemisebenzi.
Here I am, Lord.
Nangi mina Nkosi.
Send me.
Thuma mina.
Ayuthunyiwe na or usabizwa. Uzimakhelwane uthunyiwe na or usabizwa. Thola umuntu la usabizwa ene wena uthi utholakele la usho. Marifoni sakhala.